Here's what to eat and what to skip to keep kidney stones from coming back. First, hydrate like your life depends on it, because it does. Plain water is best, but citrus drinks like lemonade can help prevent stones. Next, embrace calcium-rich foods, dairy, fortified nut milks, and leafy greens. Now, steer clear of oxalate-heavy foods, spinach, nuts, beets, and chocolate. If uric acid stones are your enemy, limit red meat and shellfish. Watch the salt shaker. High-sodium diets fuel stone formation. Lastly, avoid protein overload. Balance with plant proteins. Worried stones might strike again? Why wait for pain when you could check your risk right now? For free with Ubie Symptom Checker, the only free doctor-approved AI, trusted by 12 million users. And don't forget to tap, like, and follow for more real health tips you can trust.